Hello guys, so I've been using Real Geeks CRM for a while now, and honestly, it's been a game changer for how I manage my real estate business. It's helped me bring structure to my daily operations and focus more on closing deals instead of juggling tools. Right off the bat, I was impressed by how clean and simple the interface is. Everything is laid out in a logical way, so you're not wasting time clicking through endless menus. It doesn't feel cluttered or overwhelming, which is a big deal when you're juggling leads, clients, and listings all at the same time. Setting up client profiles is super straightforward, and I love being able to tag and track them in a way that actually makes sense for my workflow. Tags make it easy to segment leads by interest, budget, or stage in the buying process, so follow-ups feel more intentional instead of random. One of my favorite things is the ability to impersonate clients. MLS searches, it's kind of like seeing exactly what they're seeing, and it really helps me guide them toward properties they'll love. This is especially useful when clients say, "I can't find anything," and you can immediately understand their experience and adjust the search for better results. The lead generation part is another strong suit. Real Geek CRM really filters out the tire kickers and gives you qualified leads that are genuinely interested. I've noticed a real difference compared to some other platforms I've tried, where it felt like most leads were just people browsing. Here, the leads actually convert, which makes the time I spend on follow-ups way more effective and less frustrating. The system is designed to capture and nurture leads in a way that feels natural, with automated follow-ups and smart workflows. The pipeline management tools make it easy to see where each prospect is at a glance, so you always know who needs attention and who's close to making a decision. Customer support has also been amazing. Anytime I run into an issue, I reach out and usually get a response really quickly, and the instructions are easy to follow. I remember a situation where I had a tricky question about customizing some workflow settings, and the support rep not only helped me fix it, but also gave me extra tips to optimize how I track client interactions. That level of care makes a huge difference when you're running a small team or handling everything yourself. There are a few minor things I wish were better, like more front-end design options and the ability to customize templates further, but nothing that really slows me down or affects performance. I also noticed that the CRM content is only in English, but I was able to work around it by duplicating and translating where needed, which was manageable once everything was set up. Honestly, compared to the hassle I had with other CRMs that charge for every little tweak or update, Real Geeks feels way more user-friendly and transparent. You know what you're getting, and you're not constantly upsold just to make the system usable. Overall, using Real Geeks CRM feels like having a full tech and support team backing me up. It's easy to manage clients, track leads, and keep everything organized without feeling buried under complexity, which is exactly what you want as your business grows. If you're serious about growing a real estate business and want a platform that's effective, reliable, and backed by real support, Real Geek CRM is definitely worth trying. It's the kind of tool that doesn't just help you manage leads, it actively helps your business grow.